Well, hello. My name is Ruth Werner, and I am here because it's my wonderful task to get a chance to spend a little time with the presenters who will be with us for the Biennial Educational Congress at the Alliance for Massage Therapy Education in July of 2021. And our first interview is with the venerable Susan Beck, who has a master's in training and development, who is a retired board certified massage therapist in therapeutic massage and bodywork, and a practicing licensed massage therapist with 44 years worth of experience. And Susan will be presenting a class at the AFMTE meeting called Creating Excellent Massage Therapists Through the Use of Rubrics for Assessing Student Skills. That's a lot. Susan, can you tell us why people should come to your class?
Well, I think one of the challenges as a massage therapy educator, and I have recently retired as an educator and program coordinator from Idaho State University, is how do we assess such a subjective skill? I mean, what you think is good massage and what I think is a good massage is maybe really totally two different things. So when we have, as a continuing ed provider, or if we are a massage therapy instructor at a school or a school director, one of the challenges is how do we get everybody on the same page? Say we are a large CE provider and we have several different trainers who are doing classes for us. Or if we have a massage school and we have 4 or 5 different instructors that are doing evaluating massage therapy, it can be a very daunting task to decide what is acceptable. And so as we are working as instructors, how do we assess those type of skills? So I've come up with some really great rubrics and qualities. So looking at the qualities, and some of the qualities that I think are important, I have developed several classifications: professionalism, skills and procedure, use of products and equipment, and then we have body mechanics. So we have different categories, and you can develop your own, but how do you develop a rubric and have everybody on the same scale? As far as if you have several instructors who are visually viewing massages being done, because you can tell so much when you get a massage, but when you're watching someone give a massage, you can develop some skills so you can tell. Plus, you can develop a similar type of a rubric to give the person who is on the table.
Right. So
getting the massage.
I was looking through some of your materials, and it looks like it's about setting some standards for what your school or your CE course or your brand sets.
Right.
About
and what I'm
massage
going to be talking about
is.
And what I'm going to be talking about in here is following those national standards. What it was written in the ELAP, with some of the requirements with CompTIA, but also so putting those all together. And for a continuing ed provider, sometimes it can be very challenging and difficult to integrate what you learn in a continuing education course into your practice.
Mm-hmm.
Utilizing a rubric in a continuing education component, it can turn into a kind of a peer review or some type of a rubric that a person who attended the workshop can take home and they can follow.
Mm-hmm.
And that could help them integrate that into their practice.
To make it all more usable. Well, I think that assessment of hands-on skills for both classroom and continuing education it's a tricky area. And it's good to name the hard project and then to float some ideas. And what I also liked about what I saw of what you sent me today, and also just this conversation, is you're setting it up in a way that people can customize it to their own environment and their own uses. So
I will have handouts with this, and also I will have it available through probably Google Shared Docs, so people can pick it up and change it. They're living documents. They're living documents,
don't they?
And they are changed on a regular basis, and it's living, breathing, changeable, and always improving, which I hope we all are doing that, always improving and learning something new.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for taking this time to talk to us about that. And when will people be able to see you present this class about using rubrics to assess student skills?
I am presenting on Saturday, and I'm not sure what
July
the date
17th.
is. July 17th, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
in the afternoon.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And we will see you then.
Great.
Because all the cool people will be there.
That's right.
All right.
Be sitting with our pajama bottoms or our shorts on the bottom and our nice tops on the top.
That's right.